Are you looking for a cute new project to make with your Cricut machine? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you how to make these super easy seashell earrings. Hi and welcome to Craft with Catherine. So today we're going to be making these super easy faux leather earrings. They're made out of faux leather and heat transfer vinyl, and they have a cute little seashell on the bottom. So they're great for the summertime when you want to wear bright colors and you're going to the beach or just hanging out at a barbecue. I'll put a link below to where to get the free file. You can find it on my blog. As well, I'll put a list to all of the materials that I'll be using. And well, let's get started. So to get the free file, just head over to my blog, Craft with Catherine. I'll put a link below and go to the seashell earring tutorial blog post and just scroll down until you reach the sign up form, and then enter your name and your email address and it'll be sent directly to your inbox. So for this video, you'll be needing some material. You'll be needing both the purple and the green cutting mat, as well as something to iron on. This is just a ironing mat. You'll also need some faux leather vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, some pliers, weeding tools, a mini iron, and some earring hooks and jump rings. After you've downloaded the free file, open up Cricut Design Space, select Upload, go to Upload Image. You'll find the file more than likely in your download section, and then it'll show here in Recent Uploads. Highlight the file and click Add to Canvas. Now select Ungroup and just delete or turn off any files you don't want. And I'm just going to be cutting out the earrings one at a time. So then select Make It. Place the earring where you want it to cut on your cutting mat. Select Continue. And for the faux leather, I'll be using the faux leather paper thin setting and the purple cutting mat. And for the heat transfer vinyl, I'll be using vinyl and the green cutting mat. And I'll be selecting more, and now it's ready to load the fabric. So I recommend cutting out the fabric to just the size you're going to be using, and it helps to put some transfer tape on the good side. That way it'll help to stick to the mat as well as keep your mat clean. So now it's ready to be loaded into the Cricut machine. So here I've cut out the vinyl, and now I'm just going to weed the vinyl, and now it's ready to be ironed. So place the faux leather onto some Teflon paper and an ironing mat, and now just place the heat transfer vinyl on top with another layer of Teflon paper. I have my iron set to low, and now I'm just going to press it for around 5 to 10 seconds. Now I'm just going to leave this cool before removing it from the plastic. So the next step is to grab a 4mm jump ring and just twist it to open, and then layer the earring along with the earring hook, and then just grab a second set of pliers and twist it to close. And there you go, now your earring's complete. So here you can see some of the different earrings I made with different colors. These are made with faux leather and heat transfer vinyl. And this one I made with a second layer of faux leather, but I used heat and bond, so it has a bit more depth to it. It does work well, but just make sure to set the image to mirror when you're cutting out the heat and bond layer. And well, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.